How to use ChatGPT Voice Mode. It's a great video for you. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Sorry for asking for subscribers. It's free. First of all, what we can do, we have to go to our mobile phone, laptop or computer, wherever we are using ChatGPT, and over there we have to long press this icon, and voila, it's get into the 1 second. When you long press this icon, it will get into the voice mode and you can ask them, how are you, my friend?
Got it. Switching out of talk mode. And just to toss it in there, hey everyone, how are you all doing? Let me know if there's anything else you need.
Please ask my subscribers to like, share, subscribe.
Of course. So, a quick shout out to everyone watching. If you're enjoying the video, definitely hit that like button, share it around, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps a lot.